Great crypto. Great crypto. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Great crypto.
Hello, guys, and welcome to another trading session, another live session. It's still Sunday, but at this time, the volatility starts to pick up and it's less boring than usually. So let's see what's happening. PEPE is dropping. Let's see. If I go from here to here, up. Well, there's two scenarios. This can go like ABC wave down to this support, and maybe we can long there, or it can even go up now, but it doesn't really look good. But it can, because this can be a flat ABC pattern like this. That's possible. But let's zoom out. High drawings. Let's just go to the weekly first. Yeah, nothing changing on the weekly. Daily also. The MACD wants to go up. Same story. 4 hours. Yeah, it's battling with this 20 SMA. 3 hours. Looks a bit bearish, but it can surprise pretty soon. What I don't want is this low to break. This is important to stay in. If it comes here, bounces, great. If it comes here, bounces. If it breaks this low, then we are bearish. Then we're making consistent lower lows. 30 minutes rejected the 200. What's happening on 15? Yeah, 15 is above. So you see, it's weird. On 30 minutes, you should short, right? Because it's below the 200 SMA, and on 50 minutes, it's another story. It's above. So what do we do? We trade on 3 minutes and we go for the. Now this is nice. Look at this. Let's measure from here to here. Yeah, it's gone past the 1.618. So this is third wave for sure. So I'm expecting it's an impulse wave. 1, 2, 3. This is 4, and this might be the end. So we can long here, right? If we get two 3-minute candles, let's see. So either this is the first wave down, we go up and then down again, or this is the ending of this potential flat. This might be this A, B, C. It might be that, but we don't know that yet. Oh, let's turn this off so we can see a bit better. Okay. Okay, one green candle, second one is going up. Let's just wait together and enter if it's a good candle. It's still not looking good for us, so no longs yet. Let's go to 15 minutes. And I think this is probably take this low. And in this case, this could be very possibly because we didn't have 5 waves here. This is like 3 waves, something strange. And then, okay, and this is our support. So it's interesting, right? You have support, you have something that you expect on the same place. If it goes through, it's invalidated. If it stops here, we make a good trade. Okay, guys, so on 3 minutes we have two nice green candles, which follows our rules. I still don't think that this is going up from here, but it can go to half to here and then go down. I'm expecting this area here. But let's make a trade, and if we're wrong, we're finally making a wrong trade, so you can see when you lose a trade, it's nothing special. You lose much less than you earn, and you can go with 3 bad trades in a row and not really feel it that much. So the second candle started looking good, and now it's not so good, but we still have 45 seconds. Let's see. Okay, it's getting back up. I'm not going into the trade unless it's high up on last 10 seconds or something. This can in 30 seconds go down below this, so just be patient here. We are patient. 20 seconds. Okay, it's not the best, but I will make the trade anyways. Okay, it's 2 green candles. Yeah, okay. We have 2 green candles. And this is something that, well, the one thing we have for us is this. It's bouncing on this grid line. You remember the grid that we talked about? This midpoint. So let's see. I'm gonna put my stop loss below. It's all on 20x because we don't have a lot of percentage to cover for our stop loss, so it's fine. And same as the last times, we are trading up until 1%. Let's see. So we can also measure now to see where could it potentially stop if it goes up a bit. So yeah, usually it retraces at least to 0.5. So if it goes up and down again, we can still earn some money on this move up because we have pretty much clearly this what I showed you before. At least it looks like it right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yeah, let's see if that's true. And then I expect to come down again. So let's see, just for our entertainment and for the sake of no, this is a different one. This is for time. I don't really use it that often, and it's maybe for another video. So 1 to 1. Yeah, I hope it doesn't just stop here and we don't earn any money. Let's just let it be because we are respecting our rule, right? It is a move down. Well, we had here also 2 green candles. But when you have a move down and you can measure it with your fib, I mean, when it's over 1.618 and then you get a bounce, almost never works. Almost never. You need at least one more low, then it can retrace. So let's see and let's wait. Now, sometimes when you are in your trade and you don't want to always look at 3 minutes time frame, you can go to a bit higher. Let's go to 15 minutes, and now you can see the MACD. It's getting up now, and we are having two green candles for now. 5 more minutes to prove that this will be two green candles, and then maybe we can go up. And also I see some hidden bullish divergence here, and I want to explain to you first the regular bullish divergence. Look at this here. So let's take, for example, the trend line and just connect these lows. So one low, lower low, three lows here. And look now at the MACD. MACD is completely different. Oops. MACD has completely different picture that you see on the price, right? Sorry. So yeah, on the price you have lower lows, on the MACD you have higher lows. And when you have it two times, it's strong, but when you have it three times in a row, it's very strong. So this is why we bounce here, one of the reasons. So that's regular bullish divergence, and this might be hidden bullish divergence. Try to figure out what happens here. Between these lows, you have one lower low, one low, then one higher low, right? On the MACD, what do we have? Yeah. So it's a different picture than before. It's diverging. It's not following the price. It's not. So something is weird, right? And this is one of the indicators that you might have a lasting low someplace. Let's see, maybe higher time frames, 1 hour. Yeah, you can see. Well, yeah, you can see it on 1 hour too. You see, this low, this low. This is higher. This is already lower. Yeah, it's nice. It's because this move happened too fast. This big 1 hour candle. And okay, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe it goes down. But maybe they're just fooling people and inducing traders to short, and then poof, we go up. Okay. And you might ask yourself, why am I always entering a long trade? Why are you always entering a long trade? Why don't you short? The price is consistently going down here. But yeah, I'm watching 1 day MACD. It went up, it got down a bit, and it's going up again. 1 day MACD, it's one of my reasons also, and the place we hit here on the very important fib 1.618. Some might think, okay, the 20 EMA is crossing, not EMA, SMA is crossing 200 SMA, the so-called dead cross. And whenever that happens, usually we just get big move up to that place. So forget about dead crosses. If anything, they are the reason to do the opposite move, in my opinion. Okay, so 15 minutes, not closing really strong, but the body of the candle, it's still green, it didn't turn red. Let's see, we have 40 seconds. Yes, there's a big wick from here, But if we delete all the wicks, we have 1, 2 green candles, right? It's not a wick to, from here to here. That would be different. It closed not so bad, in my opinion. Now we're moving up again. Okay, you see the 15-minute MACD. Okay, I will just stay on 15 minutes till we see what happens here. See you in a bit. So one more important thing that I didn't talk about is, what do you do when you earn some money? Do you trade with more money or what? So let's say on 15th of August, I made 2 winning trades. So I went from initial $300 to 420. So the next day I don't trade with 420. I still trade with the same amount that I started with, just 300. And I put $120 aside, because you can use that when you lose. For example, here we lost 20 bucks, but then I use the money from the money that I earned, that I put in the spot wallet, just like USDT, and I add it back. And I think this is the best way to trade, because if you trade, let's say I have now $708. If I trade with all of that, if I put it on, if my stop loss is 0.5, it's not, now it's not minus $30. Now it's like double, it's minus 60, 70. So be careful with that. Okay, here's what I'm thinking. We might get a BC wave here. 3-wave move. Judging by the speed of this, but you never know. Something like this. If we get that, I doubt we will get to my 1%, because that means that we have third wave going on, not a correction, and at the moment it looks a bit corrective to me. So what we can do, we can make a compromise and maybe not wait for the end of the trade to 1%, and maybe end it a bit earlier and enter a short. So we are measuring from the bottom here to the top to the bottom with the PEPE extension tool. Then we go to these rays and we mark 1. Also mark 1.172, because sometimes it stops there. If it goes above, then we are winning a trade of 1%, and then it's probably wave 3, right? If it goes down, so be it. So, but this is my thinking. So let's wait on this and see, does it react here at all, or do we get there? So if we get there, maybe we don't earn 1%, we earn 70, 80, I don't know. Let's see what happens. Well, it's tricky crypto as usual, tricky PEPE. Just made another low, but now it's bouncing pretty hard, so we can't really use these pointers, so we need to do it again. So we go to trend-based fib extension, and this time let's include the new low here. Okay, so this means that we have to lower a bit these lines. Okay, let's see what happens now. Let's see how it reacts actually. Yeah, it's somewhere here. Not sure when, but hmm. Okay, I'm taking profit here. Just 0.50%. And then let's make a new trade, short if we make it. But okay, it wasn't 1%, but it's still 30 bucks. Okay, now we're in the resistance area that we drew from before. And let's see how it reacts. On 1 minute, it's around at 200. 5 minutes, even better. Yeah, but it looks bullish for now, right? Looks like it could continue going up, but things can change. So if we have some kind of reaction here, and if we get two good red candles, maybe we short for the first time on this channel. It would be exciting. Let's wait and see. Well, looks like we could get two green candles where we want them, right on that resistance point. So if we get a good second red one, I'm gonna enter a short. Oh, nice, nice. I like this. Not yet. Not yet. $30. Just be patient. Don't rush it like 40 seconds before it closes. You can do it like 10 seconds before. Now let's see. Okay, 5 seconds looks good. Yeah, we're short. Let's see. Oh, sorry. Do we immediately regret this? Let's see. Let's give never put it like this, because sometimes it just goes to the same place. We'll do like 0.19%, and then we're targeting, as usual, 1%. Although this time, I mean, if it really goes down now from this point, no, okay, you might want to pick your money here or go a bit lower. This box, which is like a support box, but I won't do that. I just want to focus on my 1% gains, because you never know, this can be also this crazy move, and a lot of people get stopped out because of that. So it's like ABC, three waves, ABC, three waves, which goes lower. Then you have big 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to here. A flat, you can get a flat here. This is the reason I'm not waiting all the way to down here. I think 1% is a really nice. Well, this is a good candle. Very good. Okay, let's see how this short works. Now, I just want to quickly explain why did I decide on this? Why didn't I leave the long trade up to, I don't know where it was, up to here somewhere? why did I break one of my rules? And here come the Elliott waves. And usually when you have like this from this top 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's a clear impulse wave down. You can see it, it's strong. And after that, I mean, look at this. Look at this line. That's one wave down. And then you would expect, if you want to reverse from here, you would expect at least a move to here, not a move to here and then struggling and then, and then stopping in our resistance zone. So that's the reason. I'm actually quite confident this will go down, but I'm always saying you never know with crypto. I can be mistaken in like 5 minutes now, and this could shoot up like here. So don't be surprised by anything, and don't be overconfident. Just enjoy your trading experience, and always follow your rules. The most important one, how to enter after two red or two green closed candles. I didn't enter a short like here. I didn't enter it here. You don't know where the top is. But through my experience, I somehow figured out that when you have one candle is not enough usually. Like, I don't know. When you have one and the second one, which are pretty strong, this was a retracement, it didn't go over, it just continued down. Now you have again one, two red candles, again one, two, down, one, two. Yeah, let's see what happens here. Well, guys, we finally lost the trade. I'm actually happy about it because it's pretty unrealistic to win so many trades that I did since I first started recording these videos. So you see that this is normal to lose a trade, and I'm pretty happy with this loss because it's only 0.19%. That's a really good loss. You don't want to lose, like, I mean, you can do it until from 50 to 60, I would say. Over 70, it's almost like the same amount that you're winning, so that's not good. We are losing small amounts. What was it? 19, yeah. And this doesn't mean that this ABC pattern is still not valid. It can turn down from here. Let's see what happens. Now look at this. It seems it's falling down again. So they tricked us just a bit, just to sweep us guys who entered here to stop us out, and it probably goes down again. Not sure if I will enter on just one candle. No, I'm waiting for two candles, whatever happens. So okay, I can take out this one, but seems like if you measure from here, that it stopped around this other fib, 1.272. Oh, it's a good strong candle. Let's see the second candle. And if we enter our last trade, if I trade, this will be last trade because I already traded today, I mean, but it was two trades that I won, and I should have stopped after those two trades, but since I'm so excited about filming these videos for YouTube, I just wanted to make more content for today. And let's see how this works out. I just noticed something before we wait for the second candle. Let's go to the trend line. This high, this high, this high. And what do we have on the MACD on 3 minutes? Divergence, right? One high, lower high, lower high. Of course, if it doesn't move up from here now, we'll see. It should stop in this vicinity. If we go much more to the upside, then yeah, it's all invalidated. But yeah, this is a good example also. Why not to enter trade on just one red candle? Now we're getting a move up again. So let's wait and just wait for two red candles that we had here, which didn't work out, but that's okay. Maybe the next two will work out. Here we go, guys. We might get two red candles and divergences are still respected. Do we get one more? Come on, let it be red. Ooh. I'll consider that a red candle, yeah. I mean, look at it. It's a bearish hammer. Don't mind the color of green. This is, they traded all the way up here and then they dropped all the way here, so it's pretty bearish. Also with these divergences, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong, but let's see. This will be my last trade, whatever happens. So okay, let's adjust this to 0.17. And our target, as always, 1%. Well, actually, if it goes down this far, it's gonna take this low for sure. So let's make it not too much. You never know, it can bounce here. 1.20. Okay. Our largest percentage trade yet. If we win, let's see. Very good move. Look at this. Look how real these divergences are. Tup, 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 tup. Can we see them on other time frames? Not so sure. One minute, where for sure you have these two. Yeah, three. 1, 2, 3. Now in terms of Elliott waves, how do we say this is ABC and this is not going to be a third way up, which it can become, you never know. All of these divergences work until they don't work. Yeah, now it's going up. Now it's going down. Who knows what happens? It's getting volatile. Getting volatile. So what I was explaining on 1 minute. Let's take our Elliott waves. What would that be? That would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 diagonal. Let's change the color. to this, and I don't actually like these lines because you can see the price, so I like using just the numbers. Then you have ABC, which is always connecting the two waves that are 5-wave moves. So the last one is also 5-wave move, right? From here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in a bigger picture, this is all A, B, C. Let's see if that's true or no. Maybe I'm misreading something, and maybe we just shoot up like crazy. Let's see. Well, guys, this goes to show that losing trades is normal and expected, and you should be fine with it. I was waiting for an episode where I should lose a few trades, not winning everything. So 0.17, again, good. So unfortunately, these divergences didn't work out. But you remember what we talked before? That we have different kind of divergences. From this low to this low, a hidden bullish divergence. And I love it that PEPE is going up because I have a long-term trade, swing trade from this bottom. So I really want to see it go to new highs. I'll probably pick my money here, or I don't know. But I think around 0.20. We'll see. We're a long way from there. That's okay. That was our trading day, and let's summarize. So today, I mean, this was a big day, right? Lot of trades. I should have stopped at the first two trades, because when you get first two trades, when you win two trades, you often don't win the third or fourth one. So it's best to stop. But at the end, after the second trade, we are still having more money than after the second. So this is a very, very successful day, going from $768 to $835. I think that's fine. So okay, guys, I'll see you next time, and I want to do a whole day, not just this was half a day. We just did these two trades, the last two, the trades from before, actually the three trades, right? We did win 0.5% before, and we did the trades before for another videos. So yeah, it's gonna be interesting where this PEPE ends up. Please like and subscribe if you like the content, and if you want to learn more, ask me any questions that you have. Please comment. I would love to respond, and see you soon. Bye bye.
Great crypto. Great crypto.